Hey YouTube, this is Joel. I'm making a video on the Temmo board. So I bought this board about 2 months ago, and it's a pretty good board. You know, for a beginner or intermediate rider, someone who's never rode a skateboard, it's a pretty fast board. I've been about 28 miles per hour on it. I've been pretty much 30 miles per hour on it. 29, 30, just call it 30. And let me show you the board real quick. And it goes pretty fast. It gets up and goes. So I have the 6.0 battery, so not the standard 4.0, the one that's right above it. Gets about like 10 miles, 11 miles. I punch it, so you could probably get maybe 14 miles. So let me go ahead and do a little acceleration test on the board. Show you guys real quick. Alright, here we go. And this is in high plus mode. Right here. I put about 74 kilometers, and it's doing pretty good so far. So I'll show you acceleration of the Temmo board. And this is the M2 version, I believe.